All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Friday night. I'm sorry it's been like 5 days since I've done a video, but guys, I've been super busy with work. And you got to take care of business first. That's what you got to do in life is take care of business, then have fun. This channel's all about having a good time and having fun. So let's do an unboxing tonight. So guys, a watch I'm really excited to actually get here on the channel. This is from Spinnaker. You guys know I've got a partnership I've been doing with Spinnaker for a number of years. They send watches out to me to review here on the channel. And I really, really appreciate that. Thank you, Anna, for getting this one out to the channel. This one I'm really excited about. If you guys are on social media, which you probably are, and you're on Instagram looking at watches, you guys have probably seen this watch. And it's pretty much an exciting new offering, I feel, from Spinnaker, especially the way they're strapping it up right now. I think it's a cool watch. So obviously we have the standard Spinnaker box you guys have come to expect from Spinnaker. We'll go ahead and pop it open here. And again, the standard Spinnaker box. I like the fact, like I've said many times before, that watch companies are maybe putting a little bit more time into making better watches than making bigger, fancier boxes. I could really care less about the box, to be honest with you, as long as I'm getting a high quality piece. So guys, here we go. Let's open. I don't even know what colorway I have, but let's go ahead and open it and check it out. So flipped over in there. And ooh, I'm seeing a splash of gold. Ooh, this is a pretty one. I do believe this is the PVD coated case and bracelet. This is the Spinnaker Cahill. This is the mid-size, guys. This one comes in at 40 millimeters. I think the other ones have come in at about 42. So this is going to be a watch that a whole lot more people can wear and will enjoy. Take a real quick look here at the reference number on this one. This is the SP 5075-33. So first thing I got to do is get all the plastic bits and stuff off this watch so we can take a closer look at it. Give me 1 second here, guys. All right, guys, so all the plastic is off the watch, and man, we really have a beautiful piece here. This is obviously a PVD coated case, black bezel, and you have the gild on the bezel and also on the hands and the indices on the watch. Really spectacular. I've always loved the Cahill watch line. Very, very nicely done. Very clean, simple, diver style watches. A little bit of Blancpain-esque here going on, and then you have a little bit of Submariner in the dial on the watch. But it's really, really well done. Date window over here at the 3 o'clock position. Let me get a closer look here at the dial, show you guys. These are actually textured dials on these watches. You have an applied logo there up at the 12 o'clock from Spinnaker, automatic down there just above 6 o'clock, and the 500 feet or 150 meters. So that might make people a little bent that it doesn't go 200 meters, but really that is more than enough for a diverse watch. You have an AR-coated sapphire crystal in this watch, which is great. I do believe the insert on the bezel is a mineral crystal. Screw down crown on this watch for that waterproofness. And as you guys can see, there are no crown guards, so it's a very clean 40 millimeter size on this watch. Comes in at 13 millimeters of thick. You do have a signed case on the watch, polished along the top of the bevels on the case. Very nicely done. And you see that beautiful gold bezel there on the watch. 20 millimeter lug openings on this watch. And I gotta tell you guys, I do not know what the lug to lug is, so we're going to measure it here on the channel. I'm thinking it's going to come in about 47, 48. Yeah, we're right there at about 47.3. So it's going to be a watch that's going to be able to fit anyone. It's great. They're now offering it on the new stainless steel bracelet on the watch, which is very nicely done. As you guys can see, it does have solid inlinks, showing them there while you look at the Miyota movement. This is running the Miyota 8215 movement. You've got about a 40-hour power reserve on these movements. Unfortunately, it is not hacking, but it is a hand-windable movement, and it's a notoriously really good movement. You can see on the bracelet on the watch, you have the safety clasp, double push button, excuse me, guys, and you have nicely machined bars on this, which is nice. They didn't use stamped material when making the bracelet. All solid, the links on the bracelet. I do believe they're just going to be standard push pin, not screw links, and yeah, you can see the arrows indicating which way to move those pins out. The lume on the watch is Swiss Super Luminova, and guys, just taking the plastic off as I was cupping the watch in my hand, it was really glowing. As a matter of fact, kind of cheat there. You guys, it's got a lot of lume on it, so stay tuned. We'll do the lume shot after we get the watch on my 7-inch wrist. So another great offering. Now, this is obviously the black PVD version. They offer a all stainless steel and black version. I do believe they also have the all stainless steel with a blue bezel insert and possibly a blue face, or it might be a black face with the blue bezel insert. But I'll leave a link down below to Spinnaker where you guys can jump on over to their website and check these out. But really, really good looking watch. Comes in at 100 grams on the stainless steel bracelet. And they have a 2-year warranty on these watches. Let's go ahead and pause it, get this watch on my 7-inch wrist, and then we'll go out with the traditional lume shot. You guys can catch a little bit of that blue AR on the crystal there, so that's kind of nice, let you know it's there. Now, let me tell you, I have a 7-inch wrist, guys. Of course, I have not sized this to my 7-inch wrist, but let me tell you guys, if you have a big wrist, this watch is most likely going to fit you. A lot of meat left there on that bracelet. Pretty impressive, actually. I'm thinking you could fit an 8.5, 9-inch wrist in here, no problem, wear it comfortably. And that it's a 40mm case. Like they say, it's really going to fit pretty much anyone. I'm actually wearing the Breitling Super Ocean here, which is a 41, and actually it looks substantially larger than the Spinnaker, which comes in just a millimeter smaller, but I think that's kind of interesting. But 40mm, always a good classic size in a diver's watch. 150 meters of water resistance is going to be fine and get the job done. So, guys, it's a really another nice offering from Spinnaker. These are running $350. I do believe this one is $400 with the PVD coating and the gold. It's a little bit more, but the other models are $350. Let's go ahead and dim the lights and go out with that lume shot. Well, that's always a good indicator, guys. Haven't even hit it with the lights, and look at that already. So let's go ahead and hit it with the big old Drill Master flashlight here. Get that thing loomed up. Love the fact that they've got that, crystal-covered bezel on these watches. It looks really, really good. So, yeah, what you'd expect. Spinnaker has always been, lately at least, stepping up their game in the lume department. This Swiss Lume Super Luminova is obviously applied very, very well, and it looks really, really good on the watch. So, all right, guys, that's the Spinnaker Cahill midsize 40mm. This is the black PVD model, guys. I'm going to leave a link to Spinnaker down below. Guys, check them out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.